Well, there's the bottle jack with a large amount of the paint stripped off. Uh, you can see where the label used to be. And I'm going to finish this up with a wire wheel. And then we'll repaint it. Okay, here's the bottle jack with its coating of primer. I'll let that set up for a couple hours and then give it the red coat. And here we go with the top piece with its final coat of paint. Alright, so here's all the pieces ready to go together. I just need to, I'm going to put them together real quick, and then I've got to get this mounted on here the proper way, and we have something to test it out on. Okay, I finally got this thing pretty much together, and the only thing I have right now to punch out is a bearing from a cheap Harbor Freight grinder that died on me recently. Now, eventually what I'll do is I'll probably make a cap for this, and then something that I can put a bolt on or in, so that I can, if needed, place a bolt on here. And give a quick close-up of this. So there's the screw, or the bolts holding it on. Those are not the permanent ones, they're just what I had. The reason this thing is canted at an angle is because the only places to put the bolts were in two locations, and if I put it on there straight, then one of them won't be on this flange enough to hold it in place. It'll be too close to the edge. So this is just some quick close-ups of how it's put together. The bottom is the same as the top, it's just I have torqued the bottom ones, but these are just on here tight enough just to compress those washers. And so let's see if we can get this thing working. Alright. So I've got a piece of metal here just to hold this on straight. Alright. There you have it. Push the bearing off. Theoretically, I can use it to push bearings on. But that's it. Thanks for watching.